Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Choice watch and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps on this watch. Okay, so to change the straps on our watch we need to first remove the old ones. To do it, grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of the watch you will see that on each strap right here we have this lever we can pull on. And basically how it works is you need to pull on this lever towards the middle of the strap, and once you pull on it, it will release the strap. So let's try to do it, and then you can pull out the strap with some struggle, but it will come out. Let's do it for the other one. Like this, pull on the lever. Sometimes it's very hard to pull on it, but here you have it. It releases the mechanism, and now we have two straps. And how this mechanism works is quite simple. You have two pins on each side of the strap. Usually when the strap is attached, the pins are inside of the holes right here on the watch. On each side there is a hole, and when you pull on this lever, one of the pins retracts inside of the strap, which makes it basically, because of that you're able to pull it out. It will release the mechanism. Quite simple. It's not one of the best, but it works and it's quick. Okay, and once you have the new straps and you want to put them back on, you simply grab the strap, you take the side farther from the lever, this side, you put it inside of the hole on your watch. I don't know if you can see it right here. You put it inside of the hole, then you pull on the lever to retract the pin, which is going to be probably hard, but we can do it. And then you push it in to align it with the hole. And once you hear the click, it means that the pin inserted itself into a hole and it basically locked in. And we can do it for the other side, like that. Pull on the lever and then align it with the hole until you hear the audible click. Oh, it skipped. Let's try again. As you can see, sometimes it just fights with you for no reason. But once it clicks in, it should hold. And here we have it. Okay, and that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.